Hello my friends, it's Angie World. Welcome to my channel. Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you lighten skin tone 10 shades lighter and whiten skin tone 10 shades. It is very effective. It's Japanese secret to whiten skin tone naturally. The first ingredient we need to prepare this magical recipe is 1 teaspoon of rice flour. Then add on it 1 teaspoon of corn starch or corn flour. Then add half teaspoon of baking soda and mix the dry ingredients together. Then we need 1 lemon. And add the fresh lemon juice like so. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. And here I'm using the market aloe vera gel. You can use the natural aloe vera gel instead. Then we need to add 1 teaspoon of natural raw honey. Then add 1 teaspoon of natural raw milk. And mix the ingredients all together like so. Now our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on any skin place that you want to whiten your skin tone and get fair, spotless and glowing skin naturally. It is super effective in whitening skin tone and get you the best shade you want, and it's super effective. Leave it 15 minutes on your skin, then rinse it with warm water followed by cold water to close the pores, and my friends, the result will amaze you from first use. I hope that video will help you too, my friends. Don't forget subscribe my channel, turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies, leave a nice comment and give that video big like, and I will see you in my next video. I love you guys.